Grandeur, the state of being magnificent or overwhelmingly impressive. Synonym: amplitude, magnificence, majesty. Antonym: dullness, simplicity, ugliness. Advent, the coming or arrival of something. Agman. Synonym: arrival, onset, approach. Antonym: departure and leaving. Mercy, mercurial, prone to sudden or unpredictable changes. Synonym: changeable, erratic, volatile. Antonym: constant, reliable, steady. Lethargy, showing an unusual lack of energy. Alasya. Synonym: drowsiness, inactivity, idleness. Antonym: awakening, liveliness, vigor. Abundance, a large quantity. Prachurta. Synonym: affluence, plenty, profusion. Antonym: scarcity, dearth, poverty. Loophole, an ambiguity that makes it possible to evade a difficulty. बचाव का रास्ता. Synonym: alternative, way out, escape, clause. Antonym: blockage, obstruction, seal. Imbecile, a word used to describe a person who behaves in a foolish manner. जरबुद्धि या मूर्ख. Synonym: stupid, foolish, deranged. Antonym: smart, intelligent, brainy. Furious, extremely angry. आग बबूला. Synonym: enraged, angry, violent. Antonym: calm, cheerful, mild. Timorous, timed by nature, डरपोक. Synonym: fearless, faint-hearted, afraid. Antonym: bold, brave, audacious. Nominal, incredibly small, नाम मात्र. Synonym: minimal, tribal, insignificant. Antonym: abundant, significant, accurate. Frequent, coming at short intervals, बार बार होने वाला. Synonym: incessant, recurrent, numerous. Antonym: chasing, occasional, sporadic. Decadent, marked by excessive self-indulgence and moral decay. पतनशील. Synonym: immoral, evil, debauched. Antonym: moral, noble, virtuous. Frenzy, wildly excited or out of control behavior, पागलपन. Synonym: burst, turmoil, mania. Antonym: calm, saneness, harmony. Altruist, regard for others without regard for oneself, परोपकारी. Synonym: benefactor, philanthropist, patron. Antonym: antagonist, opposer, greedy. Marvelous, to make, to improve, improbable, to admit or believe. शानदार. Synonym: wonderful, superb, ethereal. Antonym: ordinary, common, typical. Opaque, not able to be seen through, धुंधला. Synonym: blurred, cloudy, frosty. Antonym: clear, luminous, lucid. Collapse, to fall down suddenly due to pressure, अचानक गिरना. Synonym: disintegrate, crumble, fade. Antonym: accomplished, manned, inflate. Compatible, able to occur together or exist without conflict, अनुरूप. Synonym: adaptable, consistent, suitable. Antonym: unfitting, unsuitable, incompatible. Ruthless, without concern for others. Nirdayi, synonym. Brutal, sadistic, vindictive. Antonym. Civilized, calm, merciful. Composite, comprised or various element. Milajula, synonym. Compound, blended, conglomerate. Antonym. Homogeneous, uniform, simple. Kernel, a small seed or grain. Gutli, synonym. Nut, core, root. Antonym. Exterior, outsider, periphery. Strangle, kill someone pressing on throat. Stop progress of something. Synonym. Obstruct, restrain, choke. Antonym. Allow, release, lose. Inundate, overwhelm with things. बर जाना, बर आना. Synonym. Deluge, engulf, submerge. Antonym. Underwhelm, dry, drain. Reprieve, to cancel or postpone a bad situation. अस्थायी रूप से हटाना. Synonym. Abatement, absolution, pardon. Antonym. Continuation, uphold, advance. Amend, to make better. सुधारना. Synonym. Improve, enhance, rectify. Antonym. Worsen, destroy, lessen. Impede, slow the progress of something. रोकना. Synonym. Obstruct, block, disrupt. Antonym. Aid, allow, soothe. Vivacious, to be bubbly and energetic. Prafullit, synonym. Lively, spirited, scintillating. Antonym. Gloomy, lethargic, boring. Mercy, forgiveness shown toward someone instead of punishment. Kripa, synonym. Clemency, charity, forgiveness. Antonym. Disdain, meanness, selfishness. Tyranny, excessively cruel use of power. अत्याचार. Synonym. Dictatorship, cruelty, despotism. Antonym. Clemency, democracy, peacefulness. Wrathful, very angry and irate. Synonym. Angry, furious, incensed. Antonym. Happy, pleased, mild. Aged, grew older. Bujurg, synonym. Matured, elderly, ancient. Antonym. Useful, recent, modern. Consensus, general agreement about something. Sarvasambhati, synonym. Accord, unanimity, concurrence. Antonym. Denial, dissension, discord. Baffle, be to welder or confuse. चकरा देना. Synonym. Muddle, puzzle, confound. Antonym. Clarify, enlighten, explicit. Fatigue, temporary loss of strength. थकान. Synonym. Lethargy, weakness, weariness. Antonym. Liveliness, freshness, vigor. Inherent, existing in something as a permanent. पैदाइशी. Synonym. Constitutional, deep-rooted, fundamental. Antonym. Acquired, auxiliary, extrinsic. Anticipate, realize, beforehand. पहले ही विचार कर लेना. Synonym. Forecast, assume, await. Antonym. Doubt, unready, be amazed. Illuminate, shine light अपन, प्रकाशित करना, सिनोनिम, ब्राइटन, फ्लैश, स्पॉटलाइट, एंटोनिम, darken, extinguish, value, float, treat with contemptuous disregard, अवज्ञा करना, सिनोनिम, disobey, defy, deride, एंटोनिम, command, please, prize, retaliate, to respond to an attack in some way, बदला लेना, सिनोनिम, respond, reciprocate, revenge, एंटोनिम, depart, pardon, sympathize, instill, to slowly cause a person to develop a feeling, मन में बिठा देना, सिनोनिम, implant, imbue, inculcate, एंटोनिम, take out, neglect, dislodge, waver, to be uncertain, डगमगाना, सिनोनिम, डाइटर, फ्लक्चुएट, hedge, एंटोनिम, persist, steady, stay, exhilarate, to make an individual extremely happy, अत्यधिक आनंदित करना, सिनोनिम, elate, exalt, uplift,